All right. So many a times you may have come across this question that what's a token and what's a coin. Um, I have seen a lot of people using sometimes these words interchangeably, um, and there is a difference between a token and a coin. So I'll give you the example through the coin market cap website to give you a high level understanding between a token and a coin. There are obviously more detailed technical explanations on what is the difference between a token and a coin, but they are, yes, very two different entities. A token is a separate thing and a coin is a separate thing. And I've had friends saying, "Hey, I have traded or I have done something in cryptocurrencies," and I usually ask them the question that is it are you trading in coins or are you trading in tokens? And most of the time, I've seen that people are not unsure of the answer, which is fine. But yeah, you should know it. So if you just go to coin market cap, I'll show you some examples of what tokens are and then what coins are. So going to the coin market cap, if I just apply some filters, so let's say I hit filter and I click on add filter, and then it shows me all cryptocurrencies. So the moment I click on all cryptocurrencies, it's asking me two questions. Do you want to see tokens or you want to see coins? So let me just click on coins first and then show some results. So the moment I do that, you can very see clearly the two of the more popular ones. One is Bitcoin and the other is Ethereum. Bitcoin being the native currency of the Bitcoin blockchain, and Ethereum, which is also short formed as ETH, being the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain. And then obviously we've got other coins as BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and so forth. And Polkadot being the native currency of the Polkadot blockchain. So that's about the coin part of things. And Bitcoin obviously has got the word coin also with it. There is no such thing as Ethereum or Ether coin. It's Ethereum. That is understandable. It's the coin of the Ethereum blockchain, the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain. Let me go back and let me now change this from coins only to tokens. So if I just say, I'll just put the filter and now I'll say that I just want to see tokens only. And now you can see that Bitcoin is obviously not there. Ethereum is obviously not there because they are not tokens, they are coins. But you can see you've got Uniswap, you've got Tether, you've got USDC. These are tokens. You've got Shiba, and you've got so many other. Some obviously we know, and so many that are unheard of. It's a huge world out there. But on a high level, what I want to explain to you is that token and coins are different. So when you're talking about at a very high level from a DeFi perspective, when you're talking about coins, coin is essentially the native cryptocurrency of that blockchain that you're talking about. So for instance, if you're talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the native cryptocurrency of the Bitcoin blockchain. If you're talking about ETH or if you're talking about Ether, it is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform. Similarly, if you're talking about DOT, it is the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot blockchain. So at a very high level, if you need to give an explanation of what is the difference between a coin and a coin is the native cryptocurrency of that blockchain. Now, you don't create coins. As developers, we create tokens. Unless we are creating our own blockchain and we've got our whole tokenomics around it, and then we are creating a coin for that blockchain. That is a separate thing, but we don't create Bitcoin or we don't create ETH. We essentially create tokens on top of that blockchain. So it has its native cryptocurrency, which is ETH or Bitcoin. And then on top of that, we essentially create our own tokens. Now, tokens could be ERC20 tokens. Tokens have different standards. Tokens could be ERC 721. Tokens could be any of those standards that the Ethereum ecosystem defines as token standards. And these tokens are used to exchange different information. They are used for different assets. They represent different virtual digital assets or physical assets. And we will see to what these tokens are and what assets we can represent through these tokens. The focus of this next lesson would be focusing on ERC20 token. And we will see how we can create an ERC20 token from scratch. So hope now you understand the difference between a token and a coin. And with that, let's move on to our next lesson.